We're back in the training room here in Oceanside, California, talking about shingle types. So composition shingles are the most popular roof in the United States, and there's a couple different shingle types that have different features that we want to explain here. So here we have examples of the three common types. You've got architectural shingles, sometimes referred to as dimensional shingles. Very common, probably the #1 shingle that you're going to see in the United States. Then we have 3-tab, which looks exactly how it's pronounced. 3-tab, having 3 tabs on one shingle course, and they have different features as well that we'll talk about. And then they also have what's called either presidential or designer shingles. So these tend to be longer lasting, thicker shingles, and you work with them in different ways. So these are the more common shingles you're gonna see, architectural being #1, 3-tab probably #2 most popular, and then the presidential or designer shingles.